In this video, we're going to talk about what to do when your prime contractor is trying to back out of your project, a situation that can seriously stress you out if you don't know how to handle it right. So, here's the deal. First off, keep your cool and don't let panic take over because you still have options. Check your contract carefully. There's usually a clause about termination or backing out, and knowing exactly what's in there helps you figure out your next move. If the contractor is trying to leave because of payment issues, see if you can negotiate a payment plan or settle any disputes without escalating it. Communication is key here. Get everything in writing, whether it's emails or text messages, so you have proof if things get messy later on. Also, start lining up backup contractors just in case. Don't wait until the last minute to find someone else who can step in and finish the job. Keep track of any work that's already been done and document the current state of your project with photos and notes, so you're clear on what's owed or unfinished. Finally, consider consulting a lawyer if the situation feels like it's heading toward legal trouble. Sometimes just one call can make a big difference. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their prime contractor tries to back out is ignoring the warning signs early on, like missed deadlines or communication gaps, which usually signal trouble ahead. Another common issue is not having a solid written contract to begin with, which makes it way harder to hold anyone accountable when things go south. And a lot of folks forget to keep detailed records of payments and work progress, leaving them vulnerable if disputes arise. So always keep those receipts and take regular photos of the job site. To fix these issues, I'd say stay proactive, keep an eye out for red flags, draft clear contracts before any work starts, and document everything from day one. If you catch problems early, you can often avoid bigger headaches down the line by addressing concerns directly with your contractor or bringing in a mediator. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who actually get the job done right without all the drama. Plus, for contractors, it's a solid platform to find consistent work and build their reputation in the community, so it's a win-win all around.